guys, this is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play the funky, bluesy Cissy Strut. So this is not for beginners, this is pretty advanced. So here we go, let's check it out. The song is in C7. That's the guitar. C7. And we got that melody. So that's starting on 5 G string, 3 G string, 5 D, 1 D, and 3 on the A. And then you play, that's the first lick. And then we end with, so that's 3 on the A, 3 on the E, and then 1 on the A. 1 3 1 3. One more time. And then we want to play a B flat triad. An F major triad. So that's let's see, 5 6 7 8 D string, 8 7 G, 6 6 B flat major, and then 5 6 5 starting on the G string. Okay, let's call that the verse, and then we have the chorus. So that's 5 on the G, 5 on the D, back to 5 on the G, to 3 on the G, back to 5 on the D, and then 5 3 on the G. And you end on the C second time. Solo, you want to play a C7 funky thing, maybe a C7 and add can add a 9, so that's pinky on the C7 is 3 2 3, and then add pinky on the B string 3. Cissy Strut. Funky tune. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in for this. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs and more musical hits. Take it easy.